I've been off the scene, and everybody's been wondering, like, what has Day been doing? Day has secretly been building a girl group. You know, like I said, this is not a bad girl's house, all that stuff. I don't want y'all to get to it, knock each other heads off, all that other stuff. It's really, what I do notice is a lot of labels don't like to step in until an artist has reached a certain level. Because they don't do artist development anymore. They don't do it, they don't waste their money on it. They want y'all to waste y'all money on it. So I'm not gonna consider it a waste. I'm gonna put my money in it. I came together with my team. We secretly found some of the hottest talent in Chicago. When I say the hottest talent, like, these girls are super talented. I done been through some hard shit, but this shit right here, baby, somebody bring a DC.